AIM-listed Aminex has announced today that it's secured the critical gas sales agreement with the Tanzanian Petroleum Development Corporation, or TPDC, for its Kiliwani North gas field, which moves the company into its much-anticipated production phase. Well, the signed contract, in addition, says there's a so-called take-or-pay contract with gas revenues calculated in US dollars, with an initial gas price of $3 per million British thermal units, with indexation of prices with effect from the 1st of January 2016. There's also an agreement payment security mechanism in place. Well, now, with all this in mind, we're speaking now to Aminex Chief Executive Jay Bhattacherjee, who's on the phone. Jay, congratulations, first of all. Shares up over 13% at one point today after the news. Clearly a milestone moment. Explain a bit more about the contract.
Hi, Jeremy. Thanks a lot. Happy New Year's to you and to all of our shareholders. We're really pretty thrilled about finally concluding this gas sales agreement. Some of the key things that we were waiting for and holding out for were the payment protection, obviously, but making sure that we were also paid in U.S. dollars was a big thing for us. So we're thrilled to be moving into the next phase, and hopefully the production will follow very quickly, and we'll just keep going from there.
Remind us as well about the longevity of this gas field and what the long term is now for the company.
So this gas sales agreement actually secures the future of the Kiliwani North Development Project. It's for the duration of the well itself, and so these terms are now set. They've been agreed by everybody, and so we'll be living with this gas sales agreement for Kiliwani North Development Project.
Also, have you spoken to Solar Oil, which now has, I believe, a 30-day option to purchase a further 6.5% stake in the project?
Yeah, we have. Solo's been an excellent partner, not only in Kiliwani but also in Ruvuma. And we're working with Neil, and Neil does have the option, and we'd be most welcoming of having Solo join us for a further interest increase.
That's Neil Ritson, of course, the Chief Executive of Solo. What will this bring onto the balance sheet for Aminex shareholders?
Well, again, this just helps to keep the business moving in the direction that we were hoping for. We're going to be looking to not only build a cash flow stream for the company, but also it allows us flexibility to pay down debt, cover a lot of our G&A expenses, and again, just kind of look for future projects that are similar to Kiliwani, low risk, near-term development / production assets.
And very briefly, just to finalise this, what now? I mean, you've highlighted that gas delivery is imminent. What now for Aminex, and where is the company now going to get its next big deal?
Sure. I've stated over and over again that we want to be known as a production development oriented company. Clearly, the capital markets and the commodity markets as a whole have put quite a bit of stress on a lot of companies, and there's some absolute dynamite assets out there. But to be very clear, we're not interested in exploration type plays. We're not interested in huge capital commitments. What we are interested in is low risk production development, and that's what we have down in Ruvuma. We're going to focus on driving our major Ruvuma project forward, and then if the opportunity presents itself, we'll look to find some new projects as well. But certainly we're focused on Ruvuma, which is potentially something, some bit of a game changer for us.
Okay, well, Jay, again, congratulations, and good start to 2016 for Aminex.
Pleasure. Thanks a lot for your time, Jeremy.
That's Jay Bhattacherjee. He's the Chief Executive of Aminex plc.